Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Xiaomi-backed wearable brand Huami launched its Amazfit Verge smartwatch in India on Amazon.in at $11,999. The smartwatch will be available on the e-commerce platform starting January 15 in moonlight white, sky gray, and twilight blue. With 1.3-inch AMOLED display, heart rate monitoring, and notifications for incoming calls, messages, emails, as well as other apps, Amazfit Verge is an integrated fitness solution for health-conscious people, the company claims. It is said to have a 5-day battery life. The company is also touting the presence of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with a F coating. It is water and dust resistant, with IP68 certification. It features 4 GB, 2.4 GB user accessible, of inbuilt storage, and is powered by a 1.2 GHz dual-core processor. It can stream music to Bluetooth earphones. The Huami Amazfit Verge smartwatch is equipped with 11 sports modes, a built-in GPS, as well as a heart rate sensor. It tracks distance, time, pace, calories, speed, elevation and more. This smartwatch that combines voice-controlled artificial intelligence, AI, and the ability to make phone calls in an ultra-modern design, the company added, saying it runs on the Amazfit OS based by Android. It features 13 built-in watch faces, designed in partnership with San Francisco-based Territory Studio. It is compatible with iPhone models running iOS 9.0 and above, as well as Android smartphones running Android 4.4 and above. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.